So I have some good news and some not so good news. Good news first. RDMA. What about it? RDMA is a technology that allows data to be transferred between the memory of two computers without involving the CPU, mainly by involving the GPU, which is mainly better and best for the performance of your AI-enabled data center. Higher speed and lower latency, of course. But on the other hand, the bad news, you need all your data center devices to support and communicate using that specific technology. You cannot have anything else. I mean, can I enjoy Ethernet? Well, the good thing that we're trying to resolve here in this training is combining the best of two worlds. Ethernet in one hand and RDMA and InfiniBand in the other hand, and then boom, combine them and get what? Get RoCE. Remote Direct Memory Access over Converged Ethernet. Oh, what's that? Let's discover it. Because I'm an advocate of good news, I have something brilliant for you. I have a technology that combines RDMA and Ethernet. And why do we need to actually combine RDMA and Ethernet? Because, hey, guess what? When we talk about RDMA, you get the greatness of having lower latency technology, having a technology that can bypass the CPU and the cache and kernel and be able to deal directly with the GPU, which is going to allow, the great performance for AI-enabled data center, but the limitation is still you need RDMA-enabled equipment all over your data center. So if you were building a data center from scratch, okay, well, fine. You can actually choose RDMA equipment and then be able to build your data center based on that specific technology. But it's not always the case because we've been using Ethernet for quite some time. We've been using Ethernet for decades, not just decades. So am I going to get rid of my Ethernet equipment when I decided to just go AI? No. Well, RoCE is there to save you. RDMA over Converged Ethernet is a creation of IBTA, InfiniBand Trade Association, that happened first in 2010, which is what you've been looking for, combining these two technologies, RDMA and Ethernet, together, and then still be able to leverage what you have in your data center from Ethernet equipment and the best performance that you're looking for in RDMA. But the good thing and the bad thing about RoCE. RoCE is actually a technology that operates over layer 2. And that's the first version. But what if I wanted to work with layer 3 as well? Well, in that case, you have to kick it up a notch. So are you trying to convince me that we have a technology that was created to address one problem, but it gave me another problem on the other hand? It's good with its high performance and lower latency, and it also has Ethernet enabled, so we're not losing our equipment and money. But on the other hand, it only operates in layer 2 only, single broadcast domain. It's good for nothing. I mean, why would I risk everything for a technology that only operates in a single subnet or a single VLAN? It doesn't even talk layer 3. It doesn't understand subnets. Forget it. Wait, don't forget. Wait. That was back in 2010 when it was just created, RoCE, the first flavor. But they wanted to enhance it. They created something better. They modified it in 2014 and they gave us, well, you guessed it, the second version, RoCE version 2. Oh, okay, so what do we expect from RoCE version 2? RoCE version 2 allows traffic routing over IP fabric across different broadcast domains. You got it finally. So it's still there. It's still there till now, from 2014 till now. We have that technology, RoCE version 2, that operates over layer 3, which allows your AI-enabled data center to work over routed networks and broader Ethernet infrastructure. Okay, so this version is actually more scalable and flexible. That accommodates larger and more complex network environments. You got what you were looking for finally. And to convince you even further, I have the frame here for you, the RoCE version 2 frame. Look at that. Just pause for a few seconds and try to compare it. Try to compare it to the traditional Ethernet frame. What differences do you see here? Okay, pause. Yeah. Okay, you got it right. Besides that, there is this InfiniBand header right there. You still have everything pretty much similar to traditional Ethernet, which is, what's the good news here? The good news is, like, your standard, your traditional Ethernet devices and equipment, they will still be able to digest this frame. You don't need any kind of special device. That frame is going to be understood by your devices, by your Ethernet devices. RoCE version 2 is definitely the solution. And because this video is full of good news, I have a list of benefits of Rocky. It's actually something that will get you to understand why this technology is actually good for the AI-enabled data center. So first of all, cost effectiveness. It utilizes the existing Ethernet infrastructure, of course. So this is going to reduce the need for specialized kind of equipment and hardware. That's one thing. Another benefit here, scalability. With the second version, Rocky version 2, it supports larger routed network deployment between multiple broadcast domains. Good. And also improved performance, which is actually, getting the best of the two words, as I keep repeating, RDMA with the versatility of Ethernet networking. So how do we apply this? We can apply this in several areas. In the AI-enabled data center, of course, which is used to enhance the performance of storage networks, virtual machines, migration, and distributed computing environments. And cloud computing, let's not forget that area, which facilitates high-performance cloud services by improving data transfer rates between the servers in the cloud, and also financial services as well. Again, this is going to be used, or it's actually used in applications that require super ultra low latency communication, such as the high frequency trading. So let us summarize. Rocky combines the best of two worlds together. It first combines RDMA's performance with Ethernet's widespread. Then what happens? You have two versions in Rocky version 1, which only operates at layer 2, but if you kick it up a notch, we have Rocky version 2 that extends this to layer 3 as well, enabling IP and communication between different broadcast domains. The benefits are cost effectiveness, scalability, and improved performance using, of course, Ethernet. And the applications are, enhancement of your AI-enabled data center, cloud services, and financial services with high-speed data transfer. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.